Then project management, this is the same subject in the information system and the project management, right? Second content is a very small part. So what is project and what is project management? Before learn the what is project management, you should know what is the project, right? If you want to sell a product, means it is not a project, it is a business. It is a marketing aspect in the business. Project will be specified start and specified end. So project have the time period, right? Project start in one day and finish in one day. But business, right? Business will be run in enduring future. That's why in accounts also we are categorizing the non-current asset as the non-current asset and current asset. Then liability also non-current asset and current asset. If business is not run for long time, we have to close within short term. All the assets and all the liability will be current asset and current liability, right? That's the difference between project and the business. So what is the project? Project is an undertaking that as a beginning and end, beginning and an end, and is carried out to meet established goal with cost, schedule, quality. Cost, schedule, quality is very important. Cost is how much of cost incurred for that product. For example, establishing the new product, launching new product. So we are identified the customer's preference. So we have to introduce the product to satisfy that customer's preference. For example, take customer for the beverage item. Normally previous days companies only producing the beverage with the correct sugar level, but nowadays because of diabetics level is increased, they are introducing now sugar free cool drinks and the medium sugar cool drinks. So we have to, if the sugar level is reduced, taste also will be reduced. So we need to understand how much of product should be produced in a sugar free, how much of products we have to produce for the medium sugar or small sugar. So we have to understand the customer market. So we have to do the research. So we want to do the research. To do the research, we need the personnel. First person we need to talk good interpersonal skills to talk with the customer. We have to go each and every location in the country and talk to them. Some person should need a good typewriting skills. So once the customer give the information, he should type quickly. So he is specialized in different. One person specialized in interviewing the customer, talking. So if he know the 3 languages, it is good, right? So they don't need the knowledge about this. They want to talk. So if you give the content to them, they have to talk. Then second person need the typewriting skill or recording skill. Or if you do the camera recording, so video recording skill has to be there. So we have to recruit another person for that. 2 person recruited. So once the data taken from the customer, it has to be processed. There should be another person. So information should be prepared. So how much of customers wants this type of products. Second one, age level. Between age level, which age level need this type of products. So there are some person involved in the process the product. So information also coming out. Information will be used by some person. So many people involving and doing the business. So take for example, take the accounts department. In accounts department, accounting personnel only work there. The people working in the accounts department only know the accounts. But in a project team consists different type of personnel, right? From the different perspective. So once the project is done, this project is researching the I took only one example. This project is to researching how much of customers need these sugar free products or less sugar products. This is the project in order to meet the supply of the product. So this is the project. So different personnel will come together and project will be done within 2 months, 3 months. They did the project and finally they finish the project, and then project team also will be end, right? They will do the their normal works. That's why project team, we are saying project is the cut across the organization. It means cut across the organization means if one project is taken, that project will be involved by many personnel in many department in the organization. Understand this properly, because project, different between project and business can be asked in your question. Then also project management, right? Then component example project include producing a new product, service or object. Then changing the structure of the organization. Sometimes company want to change the structure. Company want to reduce the staff and change the structure in this way, right? Otherwise, company is, for example, take accounts department and finance department. In some company, only one department is for accounts work and finance work, right? But we are now going to introduce finance department separately and accounts department separately. Finance department means financing strategies. Those are taken by the finance department. It means how we are obtaining the funds, how we use the funds, investment decision and the funding decision. It will be a finance decision and saving decision, right? These three will be a financing decision. So accounts department purpose is to prepare the reports, prepare the profit or loss and balance sheet. That's why we are working whole year to prepare the financial statement properly, right? That's why changing the structure, then if you want to change that, so there may be conflicts comes, right? So one project team will be established differently. Please, we are recruiting, they will recruit accounts department person and market department person. Everyone will be involving and they will tell. So we have to divide this finance department and accounts department separately from this existing department. So this person will be finance department, this person will be accounts department, right? We are separating now. So when separating, sometime finance department head and accounts department head may be selected from the department. So we have to decide which person should be allocated, who is good person to this heads. So there is a plan. So before that plan, there is a change management also different topic we have to talk, but I don't think that is not in your syllabus. It's a next level or so corporate level or strategic level, I think. So change management, when we going to change one structure, one so we have to first impress the employees. We have to just inform we are going to change this. So there are 8-9 steps there. I think this is not in your syllabus. If syllabus, if that is in your syllabus, I will explain that. Then developing or modifying a new information system. We learned that if we launch the customer relationship management system, we establish the project team to implement that. So that will be the project, right? Implementing a new business procedures and process. If manufacturing is, for example, I already taking this example in garments manufacturing, washing plant is there. Washing plant, one person apply the water. That water is already mixed with the chemical to the denim in jeans to get this white color shade. But nowadays they are using the laser, so no need chemical, no need chemicals, and no need water. With the laser, they will reduce the color, then it will automatically white color. Then this process is changed. So before that, this laser usage will be trained to how this laser machine can be used. It should be trained to that stuff. So we have to change the even though we have to change the place. Even sometimes that place may be in the place near to the water resource. If laser machine used in water resource, there may be some infections to water also. We can, in the laser, if laser light into the water resource, there may be fishes there, so it may be killed. So there may be some reason. I'm taking simple example. If a chemical and this applies, they are wearing the mask to their face, and they use the different clothes, different kits for protect the infection from the chemical. If they using the laser, they don't need to wear those type of clothes. They need to wear different type of clothes to protect the laser machines, this lasers effect. So it will be changed. So it has to be implemented. So it's a process implemented also, having the different project. So we have to implement separate team. We will take the head of the project team will be the marketing manager, manufacturing manager. So production department head. Then other personnel will be some person who are one person will be from the that laser machine company to train this staff. So project team will be there. They will implement this new process. And finally, once the trained and experience given to the staff, they will stop the project and okay, now staff are working normally, we can hand over the process and they will do. That is the project, right? Then how does project working differ from the business usually? Ever defining beginning and end. Project, once the project is started, once finished, project will be finished, but business will not be finished. They have resources specifically allocated to them and often shared basis. Once the project is there, so we don't need to buy the resources we need. For example, take the employees we taking from the other branches and get together and doing the project, right? Otherwise, for we need equipment also, computer, we need phones, we need camera, we don't need to buy. We already used in the marketing department, using the camera, and laptop is used by every department, so everything can be get together and use. For example, take in schools you have the different these festivals. It means a festival conducted by the English Day competition, English Day festival, Tamil Day festival, then Sinhala Day festival. Those type of different festival conducted, sport meets. So to do those festival, schools are hiring person from outside. No, they are hiring this person from the different classes, like that. Once they are hiring means they are informing, we are going to do this festival, so we need a people. Then if anyone like, we can go and nominate the name. So once the team will established, right, chairman will be established, president, vice president, treasurer, right, organizer, members. Then there are many fights also come when selecting those personals, right? So voting should be it's like this. If I am nominated and I will elect to the president post in the one committee, right? Commerce committee was there, so I was a member of the commerce committee, and English committee also. So committee was there. If I elected president post, my friend will nominate me. If the any person not nominate me and other nominate to other one, I will agree with him. It's like it's happening in the school level. That's why school level voting for the presidential this committee post are very ineffective, because they are sometimes supporting our friends who are helping to us. We are not really supporting the person who is good for that post. That is happening in school level committee. That's why some committee are failing in some school. Then the resources are used full time. in accounts department, you know, it means ever resources allocated specifically to the second point, ever resources specifically to them, and although often on a shared basis, right? Opposite to this is business, that is resources are full-time use. If accounts assistant work in accounts department, he will work fully, right? If accountant work in accounts department only over there, right? That is, then are often unique or intended to be done only once. Sometimes if the project if one product is introduced, that project team is different one to implement that product. So once that product implement, we don't need to implement again that product, we already implement. That's why once implemented finish, only one time activity. That is, but at a business there are many recurring tasks, right? It means that if this today one for example, take one model of laptop sold today, so tomorrow also can be sold that. So can we say there is a project? If a recurring basis, if you doing the same thing, it will be business, right? Then follow a plan towards a clear internal end results. There should be a plan for project is a different vision and mission and objective goals. Once it completed, it will be achieved. Otherwise, sometimes failure also, project will be closed. Sometimes project may be successful, may be failure. Many projects are failure nowadays, right? Because of lack of knowledge and lack of resources, right? In Sri Lanka, from 2005, petroleum was discovered in Puttalam area, but still we are troubling to take that from the land. Why is that? Because that is also project, but this is lack of resource, we can't take it. So that's why project can be successful or unsuccessful. And in business side, goals, deadlines are more general. If an accountant prepare the accounts in every 15 days in a subsequent month, so he will do next month also same thing, 1 2 3 day delay, but same thing he is doing. Marketing also same thing. If you given the sales target, that sales target will be given in each month. It will be increase or decrease, but working is same. Goal will be different, but that goal's purpose is same. Making the sales, making the profit is the main objective. It will not be changed. Then often so these four points are enough to define the project. If this one point is not there, that is not a project, right? Fifth one is extra, often cut across organization functional lines. It means it is like a second point. We taking the share based allocation. Cut across means project is not depend on the one department. It can be used for different departments. We can use the resources from the different department. Unusual, then business side, unusual follows the organization or functional, usually follows the organization or functional structure, right? There should be a process. Petty cash voucher should be signed by the petty cashier, right? Checked by the accountant, approved by the finance manager, and authorized by the finance director. And again, that person come to petty cashier, and petty cashier will give the cash and file into the file, his petty cash file. Then petty cash file will given to accounts assistant. He will update the petty cash book in the system. This is a process. This process will not be changed. But when project once project finishes, it will, like if you go to, for example, take ice cream. For ice cream production, we are going to launch a new product. We are going to schools to undertaking the ice cream new tastiest product. It means the sugar level is high. So if we again want to research, then you go to the students and do the research. If you want to research the sugar free ice cream, you go to some old age orphanage, some old age house, and some old age home and do the research. Or go to the old age people and go there and asking research. So that is asking the question also different, right? So common example of project, the Mailer is a economist. He has written a book on this project, right? Books are available in CA Institute. If you want, you can have the books and read. This provide useful overview. It means the project features. Projects have the input, mechanism, and output. Right? Input is there where we taking the resources, we taking the data, and we process. Mechanism, process. Then output. It will give the whether we can launch this product, whether we can stop this product, whether we can launch this product in next year, whether we can launch this product today. So research is there. It's like this. If you even inverted something, even one thing, but sometime it may not have the demand today. So you cannot implement that today. You have to implement next year, or you have to wait until one product come to jointly consume that product. Right? For example, take VR boxes. VR boxes are virtual reality boxes. So virtual reality boxes will be imported, right? It is already introduced in China, Japan before 10 years, but recently before 5 years onwards we are importing in Sri Lanka. So before that, in 3D, 4D applications applications and phones are not available those days, right? Now only introduced. So VR box are not used in before 10 years, now only using. That's the thing. So even though we can have the decision output whether we introduce this product today or next year, or we should not introduce this product, right? Then constraint having financial, legal, ethical, time, quality, political externalities. It is a threat. It's a business environment threat. Externality means environmental threat, right? So external environmental threat. It's mostly pollutions. If pollutions done by our this if we introduce this product, it will affect the environment. That will be external. The external cost will also increase. For example, take nowadays it was prohibited polythene manufacturing. Those days polythene are 50 cents, 1 rupee, 2 rupee. So they made a project, and right, polythene companies made a project, and they used the very less quantity of this plastic, this material to do that's polythene. But that polythene is effect to the environment. It will not be quickly destroyed. It will not be quickly expired. So it will damage. If it damaged by the company will have the responsibility to fix that damage. That is externality cost. Maybe asking you a question. So now prohibited in Sri Lanka. There are some level of thick should be there in this polythene. Many organizations are now using the organic products, paper and the clothes materials are used to produce the bags, carrying bags. The framework for project management. If project management defines scope from ongoing operational management and employs its own specialized distinctive techniques. However, it is embedded in the wider management environment. Embedded means it is there, right? It's like a inherent. We can't separate from the project. If my skin is embedded to me, my eyes are embedded to me, I can't remove that, right? It is embedded means it's fixed. We can't remove that. So projects, this 7S are we cannot remove. It is always, if project is there, project is there, it will be there, right? It's project management is taken by the project team. So it's a under the project management we are learning the what is the project and what is the project team. So project management is this 7S, right? Staff, structure, strategy, skills, staff. We need the people to do the project. Then structure, we have to structure the hierarchy in the project team. Then strategy, we need the how we can achieve this project objective. We establish the objective, then we have to see what are the ways, what are the competence available to achieve this objective. Then skills means It may be high skill, low skill. Skills me don't think always a best skill, right? Existing skills also skill, right? If you only talk the singular, that is your skill. Your skill is only talking singular. Don't think if you talk the 3 languages, then only you can say I am skilled. Skill means that is a your talent. Your talent is only one aspect. So organization staff will have the skills, definitely will there. Then stakeholder, that project will give the benefit to, it has the objective, then it will give the benefit to someone. It may be the company. If production is produced, it will produce the productions more, and they're making the profit. So objective will be making the profit to the organization. So organization will be stakeholders, right? Sometimes if we use for the polythene products, if we use the organic products instead of polythene products, its stakeholders will be not only the business. Public will be stakeholder, government will be stakeholder, community will be stakeholder. They also getting the benefit, right? Externalities will be reduced. External environmental pollution will reduce. So public will get the benefit. The government also will get the benefit, right? Government no need to spend more money on the people's health. Pollution means keep your mind. Pollution means it should damage the environment. It will affect the human beings or animals. It will affect the any livelihood. It will be pollution. If you cut the tree, it is not the pollution, right? If you damage the hair, it is not the pollution. If you damage the hair, if that hair will be not good for our healthy, then I will get disease, right? Animals will get disease. The tree will get disease through this air pollution. Then that is pollution. Through this air damage, then that is pollution. If you cut the tree, rain will not come. So water level also reduce in country, in land. So we are lack of water. That is pollution. Pollution should be effect to the any livelihood. Then only it is pollution, right? Keep your mind. Pollution is not a it's a ultimate effect is going to the any livelihood, right? Then systems, there should be systems should be there. System means there should be a process in our input taken, our mechanism done, our output goings. Then style. Then some styles are followed by the project team. Project team can follow normal style. They just asking the traditional style. They going and talk to customers. Sometimes the style may be different, right? They going in different places and find the take the social media the information and find the research. We will see one by one everything. First one, staff and stakeholder. So staff and stakeholder, the most important member of the project staff is a project manager, whose skills are crucial. If project team is there, project manager will be assigned to one person. Project manager post will be assigned to one person. Then there are the numbers of the project team, both permanent allocated staff and those who are temporary or part-time commitment alongside other responsibility. Some project have the only project team. Some project have the in the project team temporary staff also may be there, permanent staff also there. Permanent staff will work for full time in that project. Temporary staff means, for example, take the accountant. Accountant only need to take the data and only summarize and taking the information means he will only come on that time, that day. Day may be divided in 5. It's like this. In this week, I am going to then one day for we allocated one day for going out and taking the information from schools level customers. One day we are going to residential areas. One day we are going to office. So the first 4 day we are spending, plan will be there. So plans are strategy will be there. How we are going to do this project. So finally we need to take the all the information we all together and put into one report. So we need one person to that only. So we don't need to keep 5 days that person. He can work in other department. He can work in his department for other 4 days. So one day only he will come and do the works. It is in the audit team also like that. Supervisor can look after the many companies because of that. Supervisor involved only 2-3 days, only 1 week. But senior and accounts executives, accounts audit trainees are involving in a full audit, right? That's the thing. He has the skill to involving in only small part, right? Then stakeholders are the people who have an interest. Staff and stakeholder. One is staff and second one is stakeholder, right? Then people are who have the interest in the affected by the operation of the project or outcome. Their attitude and basic interest vary. I already told this. Then structure. Several aspects of structure are important in project management. Structure of the project itself must be considered. This is basically a matter of the project life cycle. Discusses later, but other structural matters may arise. If, for instance, project involve new development work and the system development life cycle may be relevant. Project planning. I told they should structure the project. First day I have to do what. So how are the hierarchy? What are the hierarchy? Project manager will there. If they are, do we need a project assistant manager? Do we need that? So we have to structure the our project team, right? So the Princess 2 project management system deal with to understand the structure. That is a different topic. When you learn the Prince 2, PRINCE 2, that is a marketing theory introduced by the UK. Project management theory. It's introduced by UK. That is now widely used by many companies. The technique we will learn. What is the technique? Then system. Project may be regarded as a system in itself, with its own input and outputs, or probably more useful as a subsystem of the overall system. That is the organization. The importance of awareness. This idea is that implies the inevitability of interaction between the project and other organizational subsystem. These interactions are obviously of great importance and have the potential to cause the project failure. The project's control system is also important. System should be there. How the process, how we have to take the input from the customer, whether we are recording or whether we are recording only voice, whether we are recording video, whether we are writing, whether we are giving the customer, and I am only taking the one project, taking the example as only one project and explaining. If we take the product research, right, customer demand on one product, we will give the customer the leaflet, and otherwise we give the form and fill up that. So that will be structure, input structure. Then how we process, then how we output can be taken. Then strategy, how we have to do these works. Just a project system must mesh with the wider organized system, so that strategy employed to bring the project to successful conclusion must mesh with the support organizer overall strategic assumption and practices. In particular, the object of the project must support an organization strategy. So organization strategy is to making the products. There are ways, right? There are competence. It's like this. If you want to do the business, for example, you don't need to do the cigarette products or alcohol products. So your project also not to produce the cigarette or alcohol product. Your strategy for and objective for the project should be equal to the company's objective, company's project. For example, take onlineaccounting.lk, only for this is assumption, only lecturing for the chartered students. So I have to, it's the BL4 lecturer should explain what is there in the business environment economy. Business environment and economics is a subject not only in the chartered, other subject also there. So I have to give the knowledge to become a chartered accountant. So our online accounting this company also need to go with the chartered way, chartered curriculum. So our objective and our strategy are same, right? Then style effective means your syllabus, this is a very small content. Style means there are many styles there, but not in your syllabus. You don't need to study that. Only three lines there. I read for you. Here, style effectively means culture. Culture is an important area. Potential decision between project operation and continue operation. Sometimes styles means aggressive style may be there, right? Project manager will ask subordinate to do this work, and go this area and do the work. Sometimes their style may be taking the information from the website only. Their style, no. So they can go to the location and take the information, or take the website and information, or otherwise send the email to customer and take that. So each and every style will be changed. So then skills I already told there are different skills person will be involved there. So this element should be there in the project, right? So what is the project management? Project management means application of process, methods, knowledge, skills and experience to achieve the project objective in a timely, cost effective manner. Project means it's the activity, it's the process to with the one objective, right? And it has the end and start and end. Project management means we have to manage that project, right? So we need the process, we need the method, we need the knowledge of the people, and we need the skills. Knowledge, skills, experience are related to the people, and processes, methods are related to the planning. The planning we need, and to achieve the project objective in a timely, cost effective manner. So their budget will be prepared, and quality control will be there, and the time scale will be there. We already know that project is a time. So the progress of the project must follow the planned process, so that results is ready for use the agreed date. For example, a construction company, if you put the foundation now on building, it will take at least 1 month to dry that foundation. Then only you can put a one floor in one floor, right? So it takes the time. So once the each and every part of the construction of the building, or every stage of the construction of building will be counted in terms of the time, also in terms of cost also. That's why budget is important. How much of budget I have spent, how much of cost I have to spend for putting the foundation, how much of time I spend for the putting the foundation, what quality, how much of cement and how much of soil has to be mixed. So there is a proportion, 50-50 proportion or 40-60 proportion. So that should be there. That's why quality also important. End result should be good if use the input quality, raw material quality, and product should be quality. If raw material quality, end product is not quality, means process have the limitation, process have the problem. If raw material not quality, end production will not be quality. So we can easily say there may be mistake in the raw material or process. If process is good, if raw material is not good, we can say raw material is not good if product is default, right? Then project challenges. If project team is built, there will be a problem. People are the problem. You must always know team building. Team working is not there. So they are not like to work in a team. They are trying to show their talent alone. That is the problem nowadays we having. We don't respect our colleagues. If any idea is wrong, if our colleagues say this is wrong, we don't say this is we not agree about that. That is happening in team building. The expected problems, sometimes our planning will also have the problem. We say in construction of the building only 30 days is enough, but after first floor is built, may be broken. If say 30 days is not enough. In planning, if we have no experience of do the plan, there will be a problem. That's the thing. The unexpected problem, the weather condition is not good. If rainy days comes, it will be increase the time. It will increase the cost also. If time is increased, there will be fixed cost. No security will be assigned there. to protect the equipments. Then the delayed benefits also delayed, right? If climate is not good, benefit delayed, right? Sometimes it will take Shangri-La Hotel, one goal phase. It is the project to complete in 2012, but we have completed in 2019. Shangri-La was completed in 2017. 5 years delayed. Then this one goal phase 10 years delay, right? This explained here. So why we project go wrong, unproven project limitation, project team, project management limitation is that I said already, project may be success and unsuccess. If success, no problem. If unsuccess, we have to find that why unsuccess, right? New technological development is likely to be feature of any project. The range of such development extends from fairly routine and non-critical improvements through major innovation capable of transforming working practices, cost and time scale. The revolutionary techniques that make it possible to handle and complete projects that were previously quite impracticable. As the practical potential of a technical change moves from minor to major, so too moves its potential to cause disruption if something goes wrong with it. A classic example is Rolls-Royce attempt to use the carbon fiber in the design of RB211 engine in the 1970s. It was failure, right? No need carbon fiber engine in those days, right? It was failure. Technologies come quickly, but no demand. Now demand is there, technology also there. So the failure, not the project failed means the objective. Its failure led to the company's financial failure, which so companies are incurring more cost to do the project to get the more benefit. If the benefit will be based on the project output, if project output is not there, it will be lost, right? Sometime then project is based on the company's objective. Stakeholders may be the company, right, or the client. In construction project, client will be the stakeholder, right? We will get the product, this building. So if he changes the building, if you after once the first floor also built, he may change the, it will not be happen that if he change, you have to change this design. So we are not agreed before, right? We are not concerned about that in agreement, and we just built in a way that we need in a wall, but that is not specifically told in this design we have to build. We did in our ways. So finally client can say this is ugly, this is not good, please change this. So this cost will not be borne by the client, right? And politics may be there. Sometimes senior management means if senior management politic problem means not a political party or not the government. Politic means politic meanings it's between the people cunning mind. That means politic. Cunning mind, we are using our power, our authority in order to take the advantages for us. That is politic. That may be there. Senior manager maybe do the project. So senior manager, for example, take finance director is the head of the project team. So if the project team budget will be high, right? They can plan. Finance director will plan the project budget. So project budget is high. Company will allocate the money there. So if the project is done for 1 month, right? Each and every month finance manager paid extra money, extra allowance. So finance manager will see I am getting 10 lakh salary now. So in project I am getting 2 lakh salary. So 12 lakhs. If project is finishes, my 2 lakhs will not be come in future. So he will track the project. He will track the project and time period also increase. 1 year means he will get the 12 into 2 lakhs, 24 lakhs. So it may be a problem, right? Politic may be there. Then poor management process. Sometime in a politic limitation. Sometime it's like this. These are done to take the benefit to not the organization. Once the organization research is done on the one product, that products information are taken by the senior management. Senior management can use for their personal business also, if they have the same business in outside. So that is also politics. Then poor project management, that is optimistic, that can be particularly troublesome with new technology, unrealistic deadlines. It means we are going to produce the audit report before the we start the April and before the May 30. Can you do the audit within a 1 month? So optimistic. You are agreeing to the client. We can do the audit in 1 month. So there competence problem will be there. Competence and due care problem will be there. We can't finish the audit within a 1 month. So they are all optimistic. We are planning for more. So over promotion of technical staff, right? Technical common people with a higher level of technical skills to promote. Only then does it become apparently the lack management and leadership ability. So technical staff can do the technical works. So understand the statistical works. In statics also you studying. Statistically we are seeing how much of distribution this product may standard deviation. Those type of works are done by technical staff. But if we given the leadership to that person, he don't know how to lead the people, how to lead the project team. It will be failure. It will fight. He will fight with everyone. Then plan is not good. Control is not good. Then project success factor. There are 7 project success factor. We saw what is the project failure factor, right? We are going to see what is project success factor, right? The article finance management June 2006 helpful summarize the factors. That proper plan should be there. We don't need to read that. We can write that, right? We can write from here, right? Politics. We should understand what the CDA management are involving and we remove that person, right? Otherwise, the changing client specification, we already agreed the whole part of that project and get approved by the client. So client cannot change in future, bro. Otherwise, unproven technology should be current technology, right? Then poor project management. We need to strengthen the project management. This over optimistic, reduce the over optimistic. We reduce the time scale with the how much of work we can do within this time period. If we 1 day taken to check the sales invoice, we have to allocate 1 day to check the sales invoice. If you take the 5 days to check the sales invoice, in some companies happening, volume of sales invoice are high, more than 1 lakh in a year. So it will take more time. We have to allocate microly. We have to divide the project works stages and we have to allocate the time. Then over promotional of technical staff, we have to reduce the technical staff to give the leadership work. We have to give the leadership work to who have the more interpersonal skills. We can change that, right? It is easy to take like that rather than taking the what is there in the our notes. Then Princess 2 is very important. It may be tested in your paper. Princess 2 giving the princess means not a queen or not a prince or not a king or a son of the king. PR means projects. IN means in. Projects in control environment. Projects in control environment. It is the registered trademark by the UK Office for Government for Commerce. UK Office for Government of Commerce, right? However, OGC has adopted the principle of public domain for its guidance and no license is required to use its material. Right? Specific tools, training and services are developed and provided by companies on a commercial basis. Features are as follows. Princess 2 may be used manage any project to since scalable. So it's a usage is given. Usage is no need to learn about the usages. Then the business to approach a project. It will give the terminology describes the constitutive part. This terminology not difficult, however precise its meaning. Pinces to methodology built up mainly from. This is for the project management. How we should establish the project management correctly. They divided in two ways. The first one, components. Component of the project management has to be divided first. Then process. What are the process given to each component? Two things, easy, right? Then in component, there are 7 elements. Business case, right? Components are rather conceptual in nature, being matter to which proper considered must be given in the project to succeed, but also varying widely in actual nature from project to project. There are 7 key themes that need to be continually addressed. Business case. So there should be a if one project is taken, we have to understand whether this project is already taken by someone else. If taken and they failure, we need to understand why they failure. So if we taken and they got the output, we don't need to do the project. We can take the output, right? If someone found that we can take the electricity from the lemon, so we don't need to do the research how he can take the lemon, take the electricity from the lemon. So we can ask him, or we can he has already published. We can take the lemon and re-engineer where is fixed that cable, where is fixed that wire. Then we can understand. So for example, right? For example, take in a move for the in NASA 1970 or 1980, I don't remember the name, so I don't remember the years. Armstrong has gone to the moon. So until now, only Armstrong and their 2 colleagues went to moon. No one is going to moon now. So they already found and they already know the moon. So we are taking the experience from them. We are asking the question and have the experience from them. We don't need to again go to the moon and what is there? Is there water, or they are going outside in order to see whether human can live in other planets, right? Instead of protecting our planet, right? Instead of protecting millions of money to protect our planet, they are spending more money, billions of money to find another planet for human livings, right? It's a craziest thing happening in these Western countries, right? Instead of finding another places, they can protect our place. Then organization should be there. Once we understand the business case, we can take from there. So otherwise, organization, there should be a component should be there. Who is the in project team also? Take audit team is the project team. So audit team, supervisor level and the partner level is different in project team. That team, the senior level and senior staff and the audit manager and the partner are different level. So there should be organization should be there. Then supervisor next level. Supervisor and senior will look after. Supervisor look after senior look after audit trainee. Sometimes audit trainee is not contacting with the partner also. Some audit firm, but should contact because he is the supervisor member for his article, right? Then the plans should be there. Then the risk. Is there any project risk should be there? I already told that project failure factor are the risk, right? Then process there. Then quality, the what type of input should be there, what type of output there. Then issues and changes. If there are any changes occurs, what can we have the contingency plan for the change? If client want to change if you going to implement the ERP system in one company, if client saying this is good, but approval part is don't given to the accounts assistant, sanction part, right? Technical weight may be different, given to the finance director. We have to change. So if change may be possible, we have to already predict these things. Until the client or organization or customer request, we don't give, right? Sometimes warranties, guarantees also like that. Even though customer go and ask this was broken, do you have the warranty? They will not say until the warranty and guarantee is there. In Sri Lanka, even though any products without the warranty, without the guarantee given by that business, that organization, if you have the bill only, 6-month warranty should be given. That is the Sri Lankan law. In Consumer Act it is there. If you don't believe me, please read that and understand. Even though you buy the in PETA market, in PETA ministry, you can buy small products. You can buy the this chip, memory chip. Even the memory chip not working within the 6 months, if you have the bill, right, don't need to say the 6-month warranty is there, don't mean say the 1 month warranty is there. If you have the bill, original bill, you can claim within 6 months. Otherwise, if there are any problem if the business telling, the business person, that entity telling, we can't replace that, we did not give in the warranty, we can say him, I will go to the court. You don't need to spend anything. You have to go to the government. You don't need to go. You call to the consumer department, right? Consumer, its full name is I don't remember. Short form is consumer department, and say about your problem. They will come to your place and take the chip and bill them with the government's expense, with the government money. They will put a case. Before put a case, they will go to that business and say about this law. Once this law is clear to that business, they will give the chip is 600 rupees, 1000 rupees. So if we go to the court, all the expenses spent by that government to win that case will be recovered from that business. So better to replace the chip, better to give the chip, right? That's why some organizations knows that. That's why 6 months warranty is always given, right? Then process. The process stage also, right? There are 8 processes there. Directing the project, starting up a project, initiating a project, planning the project, controlling the project, then manage stages boundary, managing product delivery, closing a project. It's a step. Just open the project, direct the project. We have already did the plan, right? Planning part, and responsibility given to the junior personnel, responsibility given to the each staff by the senior management will be direction. No need to, we have to give in tell in the word. We can in written also we can direct them. Then we start the project. First project is there. We have to launch the ERP system in one company, right? That first thing, right? Project will be there. Then the project team will be established. Once the project team will be established, we will say project team to do this in first week, do this in second week, do this in third week. First week, go and do the lecturing to the accounts personnel. They will take the whiteboard and explaining about the ERP and how it's works. That's first place. That is directing what you should do in first stage, second stage, third stage, like that. That is directing, right? We are directing what you should do. Then say, okay, you can go and start the project. They will start the project. Start the project means they are going to install and they will start the project. Then from that point of view, initiating will be automatically started, right? Initiated the project, right? Project to start the project, and we are going progress, right? Progress will be there. Then next, planning, right? We have to plan how much of time I have to spend for this. Directing is different than planning. Direct will say you have to do lecturing first, you have to do implementation second, you have to do this staff should do this part, this staff should do this part. That is directing. In planning part, they will say this staff should do this part for how many times, for what is the duration, he has to take this works. After finish the works, to whom he has to report. There was a planning, right? Planning, learn this as simple. It will not be asked that much of question. Sometimes asking the your step for this princess too. Sometimes if you want the more notes, you can, I will give the notes, you can read and just take the idea. That's enough. Then controlling stage, once the performance done, control say you know already. once the performance is done, whether each and every stages of the objective, right? For example, take in a foundation, after 30 days foundation should be dry in a construction company. So controlling stages, one person come and keep his hand and see whether it's dry. That is control process. That is measurement process, right? That is measurement process. If there any problem, he will give the action, please give another 5 days to dry. So he will, nowadays they are using the equipment to understand the dry. We can see the dry in upside, dry in the outside of the wall by hand. But what about the inside? There's a equipment there to understand the dry and wet of the water and cement in the inside the wall, right? That is controlling process. Then the managing stage boundary. Once the foundation is finished, right? Foundation stage is finished. You have to start at the first floor. Building the first floor. When the building the first floor is done, we have to fix the lift. So you have to fix the lift to go first floor, right? When the 10th floor fixed, we can't go quickly with the stairs. So we have to fix the this lift. Otherwise, after five floors built only, they will fix the lift. So we have to understand the where I should stop this, where I should start this. So we need to understand the what is the boundary. If we start the lift process, so you don't need to buy the lift on first day. You have to buy the lift in next year, sometime after 6 months. Once you've built the 5 floors. That's why boundary should be there in each and every stage to understand what are the resources I have to equip in this stage. So boundary should be understand. It's very important. And then managing and product delivery. So once everything is finished, product has to be given to the person. Then close the project. Then settlement has been done and we say you can go to your home, right? Then notes has been given, you can read the notes. Don't worry, this is very simple subject. Very simple questions will be asked in your question. Don't worry about this, right? All the notes has been given. Understand the meaning is enough. Don't need you read the notes, right? Okay. Thank you. Welcome.